exclusive DVD you can only get when you buy the Madagascar 2 double DVD pack today. Rated PG.
Not one of us alone can cure breast cancer, but together we're curing it. It's 60 miles of purpose.
She told me if I finish this, then I'll know I'm going to live.
And I did. We're both crazy. We're so big that we're married, and we just don't have it here. I can do it. Anyone can do it.
Register today for the Breast Cancer 3-Day, because everyone deserves a lifetime. Visit the3day.org to request your informational DVD and receive a free promise ring.
I'm going to be a 30-year survivor when he's